What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Soul flip key remote fob. This Kia Soul key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade out. Now if I hold my key fob with the buttons facing down and we're taking a look at the back of it, I'm going to remove this piece right here, this whole back kind of panel. So what I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver and I'm going to come over here to the side where the key blade folds in. And I'm going to stick my screwdriver in there and then just pry like that. So stick the screwdriver in and then pry up on that back cover. Pop that back cover off, and now we see our battery right here. And I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery on the side and pop out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And if I'm holding it in this orientation with the key blade on the bottom, I'm going to start the bottom edge of the battery in like this. So I'm kind of exaggerating that, but I'm going to tuck that edge in like that first and then snap it down into place. Snap the back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.